equals maintains cleanliness, protects paint, improves appearance, prevents damage, saves money, ensures regular affordable car care. Today's video is about top 5 best budget car wash and wax kits that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Budget Car Wash. The Chemical Guys HOL 126 Auto Detailing Kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for anyone serious about car care. With 14 essential pieces, it covers everything from washing to waxing, making it ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The foam blaster easily connects to a standard garden hose, producing thick suds that effectively lift dirt while minimizing swirl marks and scratches. What really stands out is the inclusion of premium products like Honeydew Snow Foam, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Butter Wet Wax, and Signature Glass Cleaner. These deliver professional-level results both inside and out. The heavy-duty bucket with grit guard, along with microfiber towels and a wash mitt, ensures a safe, scratch-free experience. Versatile enough for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more, this kit simplifies the detailing process without compromising quality. It also makes a thoughtful gift for car lovers. Overall, it's a convenient, high-quality kit that brings professional detailing right to your driveway. Now our second product is Armor All Budget Car Wash. The Armor All Premium Car Care Kit is a well-rounded solution for maintaining both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. Packed with essential products like tire shine, protectant, glass cleaner, wash and wax, and a multi-purpose cleaner, it offers everything needed for a complete detailing routine. The interior cleaning products do a great job removing dust, dirt, and debris, leaving surfaces with a fresh, just detailed look. The included air freshener adds a pleasant touch by eliminating unwanted odors. For glass surfaces, the cleaner works effectively to remove smudges, fingerprints, and road grime, delivering clear, streak-free results. On the exterior, the wash and wax combination enhances shine while bringing out the depth of your car's paint. The microfiber wash pad gently lifts dirt without scratching surfaces. Overall, this kit is convenient, easy to use, and ideal for anyone wanting a reliable, all-in-one car care package with consistent results. Our third product is Armor All Budget Car Wash. The Armor All Exterior Bundle is a simple yet effective solution for keeping your vehicle clean and shiny. It includes all the essentials: Ultra Shine Wash and Wax, a Noodle Tech wash mitt, and a microfiber drying towel, making it perfect for quick and convenient exterior care. The car wash soap stands out with its blend of cleaning agents, lubricants, and real carnauba wax, helping to lift dirt while enhancing shine and protecting the paint. The Noodle Tech mitt is gentle on surfaces and does a great job trapping dirt, reducing the risk of scratches during washing. The microfiber drying towel is highly absorbent, allowing you to dry your car quickly without leaving streaks or water spots. Overall, this bundle is easy to use, efficient, and ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly way to maintain their car's exterior appearance. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Budget Car Wash. The Chemical Guys HOL 126 Complete Auto Detailing Kit is a highly practical and well-designed package for full vehicle care. With 14 essential items, it provides everything needed to wash, shine, and protect both the interior and exterior of your vehicle in one complete set. The foam blaster is a standout feature, easily connecting to a garden hose and producing thick suds that help lift dirt and reduce swirl marks for safer washing. Premium products like Honeydew Snow Foam, Diablo Wheel Cleaner, Butter Wet Wax, and Signature Glass Cleaner ensure professional-level results across all surfaces. The included tools, such as the heavy-duty bucket with grit guard, microfiber towels, wash mitt, and applicators, help deliver a scratch-free, efficient detailing experience. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, it works well for all skill levels. Overall, this kit is a convenient, all-in-one solution and also makes an excellent gift for car enthusiasts. And our last choice is Wontolf Budget Car Wash. The Wontolf Car Wash Kit is a complete and fun all-in-one solution for car cleaning enthusiasts, making it a great gift for dads or anyone who loves keeping their vehicle spotless. It includes a wide range of tools and cleaners such as car wash soap, interior cleaner, wheel cleaner, brushes, microfiber towels, and more, everything needed for a full detailing experience. A standout feature is the 62-inch adjustable long handle brush, which makes it easy to clean rooftops and hard-to-reach areas without strain. The concentrated citrus car wash soap produces rich foam and includes gloss enhancers that help make the paint look brighter and cleaner. The total interior cleaner simplifies detailing by working on multiple surfaces like leather, plastic, and fabric with just one product. Meanwhile, the wheel cleaner effectively removes dirt and grime with foaming action and safe lubrication. Overall, this kit is versatile, efficient, and user-friendly, offering excellent value for complete car care at home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.